consisting of a single standing stone known as a menhir. This large stone belonging to the megalithic culture 1000 BC and 2000 Common Era, approximately 2000 to 3000 years ago. These types of standing stones are found in large numbers in South India, especially in the Telangana region. This type of large stones used to memorial symbols referred to as Rakshasa Gullu or stone cultures, boundary markers, and ancient time people was used this type of large stones to track the movements of the sun and stars to identify the seasons, acting as a primitive calendar. But in this large stone have the beefed or forked shape at the top. These types of stones are very rare. These heritage sites are significant historical assets of our ancient culture. It is our responsibility to protect those heritage sites for future generation. This large stone location, Telangana state, Yadadri Bhuvanagiри district, Kuraram village.